Cho, Fede, kama simthandela abantwana bami biza ngabe simthandelene nawe umthandile, you can call me Simthandile. To come by, I hope I hope pega fit. If you're new to this channel, can you kindly do the kind of thing, man? Just subscribe, like the video, comment below. What's up? Just comment below what's up, you understand? And the face, if you come on, if you're part of the family, just comment below, man. Cho, come by. And so just comment below, Cho, come by. Today we're on a quarter date, not just in a quarter. I'm having one and pretty much. If you want me to do a video on your quarter thing, just DM me, you know, if you have a business and what I would pull up, let's do something, let's cook something, you know. From right now, suspend and manchi fed out, but fit, please, all I come manchi so tune in the trend, just by tell Buzoga like a reason why you hear is ghost, okay? But tell bias, number bias, learn to buffet, kill nanja. And sorry today, man, I'm buying you one in Hamano.
Okay, so that's a baby like easy. My Virginia X. I chest them fan. New voice. What's up, you cook it so that's a baby like easy. My Virginia X. I chest.
How are you? You know the first time. This is part 2.
Part 2.
You know the first time.
Yeah.
We share a court.
Yeah, I can look at Shashala. I think it's a little hotel or it's a pig.
Yeah. Yeah. Get double quarter, share a quarter. Date, you know, we share a quarter. There's the thing called face bite. You choose this one. Take this one. I think that one the emotion. Yeah, take this one. Face bite, and then you rate the quarter. After rating the quarter, then you tell me. You understand? Big class parts. One big quarter. Fit. Tell it up. Oh. Big class. One big quarter, guys. Not by late. I'll tell us about Mama late. Talk to me. Chelamina, what are you? Which one is that one?
I'm using Shashala fan.
I read the quarter of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Bigger the quarter pounds. Relax. Too excited. Relax.
I'm not too excited.
Man to fit back Khalil, but man pin them on busy. But this is bring back to us a baby. Oh my God. Like, you know what? I'm going to bring back to us a baby. They want small matter. I'm going to bring back them. You understand? But I have a question though. You understand? Have a question. You know me and questions. But today I don't want it to be too much to you. Understand?
Yeah,
how are you? How are you? So how is life?
I can say life. Nothing much, nothing hectic. It's just that.
Busy.
When I'm being busy, content on TikTok, and then
TikTok.
Yeah. But I don't mostly like
follow it now. Follow.
A TikTok. Okay, so tell us a baby. And then my real name is underscore Koketo Siduma 24.
Underscore what?
Koketo Siduma. My real name, and then but mostly none of my Koketo smash or pesos on toll.
Oh, but that's special pass.
Yeah.
You're right, Masala. So, Segel in the smell, Sastala or Segi.
I can say special pass I'm saying apart for now, or I'm just shooting it. So, yeah.
How? Nina Nabuban as a shoot, man, because the Suborang must measure pass Kakakis and Sakbone, man.
Yeah, KG as a shooting mostly, so yeah.
Oh,
but shooting it there. Oh, yeah. I'm shooting it there.
Have a question though. Allegedly, the last time we got you, what about Fanabala, Alex, wara, and so on. What about Fanabas, Alex, wara. But I have a question. Do you think I'm going to Mazanas Alex band?
Yes, they do. My band.
Why is that?
Abana Ora.
Why?
Abo mahamba bavula bathanga ngechufula abantwana manje.
Amashif. Konje sangana.
And ngizenzile referral khona manje. Bangicolela abantu ne. But what tiny mami said ngeskopo guys, it's real.
Yeah.
Manje intombazana yeskopo ungaphathanga imali. Uyazi ukuthi nje yeah uzophanda iplan phambili uzobona ukuthi ufuna uthola amagujumela phambili abazokuthengela angeke ubuye ungaphuzanga
Uyayenza yini lonto?
Mangiyenzi
Manje uyaselafi.
mara ngiyazi bayenza
Owazabantu abazabantu abazala nabantu.
I won't mention names mara ngiyazi ukuthi bayenza yeah
Okay, uyazi kanjani ufuna understand owazabantu abazabantu. So how do you feel so you really think labantwana balana bathenga ngamachufu vela noma unonechufu abantwana balana ungawo.
nona bashaya nge-Steve Chuff shaya izinto zakhona ngiyakutshela uyithola khona manje hayi kusasa ngaphanda ngayo mase
Oh, yibuthela saphe ungitshelani mina lento ngiqeda ngitshela ngiyayiqala futhi angiyazi. Ngizwa ngawo tsela saphe.
Cause nothing.
Over the phone check the record. Angifuni sikhulume la kanti. Oh,
This is why I was recording.
that's right. Okay, asibele bafanele. Mase la bafana bajola nabantwana abancane basesikolweni. Do you think i-fail yonto ba attack abantwana basesikolweni abafana bama advance or do you think abantu
ayikho right ngoba uke wabona like umntana wase grade 8 ona 14 years. Saka nomntana. Cabanga uqeda ukuqala high school dude. Ungcono uma una 18 at least ngiyazi ukuthi uyaqeda isikolo at least ema-university manje usaqeda ukufika high school khona manje awale rena ne re sa phakisi so re na ma early 2000 re sa phakisi so so ke bana nkare ba 2010 nkare ba shesha ka pele.
So do you think most of abantwana bayayikhipha lezi sisu lezi?
Some of them they do because kuyabona ish uzomenzana umntana dudu sasomntana abantu.
Yeah, do you think I want to understand something. So do you think I have a question. Now I'm just trying to take voice it. There's a lot happening with so niggas getting motion. Please man, like the video, subscribe, share. I don't wanna lie, bro. There's a lot of things. There's a lot of things as in Zegalayo around. And so I have questions, but I don't want to ask you. I'm a question lapha. Because bathi abantu mina ngifaka abantu mina ngibuza umbuzo olno uyaphendula. Imali yami
bathi le kodwa lesiyathelelwa so bazokhipha indaba.
Lutho. I will never do such a thing. Test my shift but I will never me. I will never do such a thing. Never, not me. You understand? But question though. Vele ubu mfreza sichiki siyakubona kuma uyangijolela na kwenzakaleni lapha yana sikubone kwenzakalani indaba yakho uyangijolela
Like some of them basangibuza ukuthi iqiniso na like guys
ngami kunyaka uhlala ukhanya
mangabona into ku YouTube just know that it's not real.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Chaza ukuthini ngale video senza la manje asishoot manje le
Siyashoot.
Uchaza ukuthini isimensho basa score real
It is real.
so uchaza ukuthini ngeJob uthini ngathi
But ngithi lama show lawa aveza izinto like lezi zenzakalayo like
so uzama ukuthi uthi yini le yangijolela it's not real. Why you sure yini nani kwenzakalana
ngoba ngiyazi ngiphuma khona and
yini kwenzeka yini kusho kanjalo yini bakunika istrip
abanginikeza ngescript mara banginikeza istoryline ngoba labantu angibazi ngihlangana nabo phambili and then it's like ilento ukuthini yoni njani ya ngiright
so uzama ukuthi lama show abo Joseph Diary lawa abo Switch the Phone abo yangijolela na ama fake.
It's fake and abantu abayazi, you understand? Because now I thought maybe it's real, but it's just for content.
It's all fake.
But it's meant to abantu vele bacanga ukuthi vele like it's true. Like can you believe it namanje? Abantu bahlangana nami bangihleka bathi mhlambe bathi ngishawe ngestin. Ugogo, you understand? So
wena ufaka nogogo awuthina ngogogo. Yabanda yini wena? Uyajola wena.
Currently no.
Why ungajoni? Yini type yakho? Maybe someone is looking out there, and someone tall and what?
Tall, dark and handsome. Tall, dark and handsome.
You think about Alex type yakho?
There are some of them back home. and baningi.
Baningi.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you think abafana base-Alex? Wait, do you think abafana base-Alex ba-actor straight ngapha ba-undercover most yabo?
I can't say mostly, but some of them really yes, they are.
Benza kanjani baya-actor ngathi manje baya-real bayajola bayathini bamayisa?
Mina sazana, mara ebusuku siyazana baba.
Mina nazana.
Hayi mina sazana, mara ebusuku
Ngiyazana.
zakha. And unfortunately, like mina mangizwana nomuntu and then uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe ngiyazi girlfriend yakho ngizwela ubuhlungu ngoba mangibona during the day I'm like yo le ntombazane ngiyayidlela nakazi
Uyidlela yena yazi yo.
islima bani sesiyazi.
Oh, you tell us about dangerous. No dangerous.
Sema bazi bayazi abangazi abayazi so yeah let's leave
Wena
it
udlala ngaphasi. Yebo mnganami.
yeah
Udlala ngaphasi wena udlala ngaphansi la lady.
And umuntu
Isikota mnganami
and umuntu
isikota.
omnandi kanjani?
This is the best god out of 10.
nomudla njengale kodwa
Yo. Haena, tell us of people. When I tell us of people, every time I learn, I just deliver something. Yeah, and about you honest and you real.
no like I don't wanna lie like na ish ke specialize ka utshuba malapa batho guys you understand ke bona ka relationship
Wena uthi upile-
ke tlo fitla ke kenye spark
Oh, mabona ngathi relationship. Mabona ngathi
mangibona
relationship.
ngathi ya isasephansi ya gogoba ngizokususela
Unama, unamanga.
uzobona kubonisa itayile ezinye ongazazi
Yo. Ama relationship permanent like Alex, abebo wawavusa we.
bewadinga mina ngiwavuse ngathi kancane ngwathinta kancane ngathi fa
Unamanga.
yeah
You alive. Yeah, macho.
and hayi ukuthi angazi ukuthi bakhona labantu ngokuthathele ngilokuyazi ukuthi ubani
Bese uyambona mina.
ngiyazi ukuthi upalisa umuntu kapalisa ngizomthatha kanti upalisa uzowenzani
So do you think-
akabhalwa ukuthi umuntu akapalisa la
Unamanga. Unamanga.
I'm just making an example nje
Example.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngibona.
not that I'm mentioning someone I know but
Abopalisa sibazi labo bantu.
yeah I'm making an example ukuthi ni
Angithanda ngathi ngithanda indaba zabantu but indaba zabantu zinokwenda pha sezithanda mina.
I wouldn't come here for fun guys ngizela uguluza indaba la
Oh, uze ngomsebenzi. Umsebenzi wethu.
Ngize ngishashalaze.
Yazi ngo. Umsebenzi wethu sekulmela.
Yazi, labo
Umsebenzi wethu sekulmela.
le mpura le baby big 2021 yeah ngiyazi le ngoma leyo
So. We drive a scope now.
the last time ngijive eSkopo bekuyini last year June but eSkopo eSkopo kumnandi I wouldn't mind going to eSkopo nyo dance strong eSkopo kumnandi
Uthini ola ngale ndaba yokuthoma intombazana ajive escope esikakhulu ayakaranga nama plans. So do you think when most amantombazana ayakaranga nama plans because of athemba abafana?
untombazana ngihamba manje mnandi nangaphathanga nerandi mara makubuye ne500 uyithatha bhasasa njazi yena bare ngimona ke
So do you think labafana lamantombazana like Alex ayathengisa? Because awukhona ungemtry HIV ungenamali bese une500. Do you think bayathengisa?
obvious phanqenqa ke sang
Yo,
Angeke ba re
yini
thola-
isipanqa?
akere bare thomi bula ntwela tshwantse o bule ntwela phela
Uyayibhula uyayithatha babe. Uyayibhula yini wena Ntswela? Uyayibhula wena yini Ntswela?
hayi mina mara bona
Oyiphuli wena Ntswela?
hayi
Phula Ntswela. Oh yini uyayivula? Vula Ntswela.
angenzi hamba nabo angenzi le
Idlikota tsala
hamba
phela.
nabo
Let's go because of angifuni mina angiyena umuntu ohlala indaba zabantu inkinga indaba zabantu zinokuthanda mina so to be honest I'm allergic
le ngoma lethi mina ngibuthanda ubutshwala buthanda mina
wena
yazi le ngoma le
so do you think abafana bale Alex wona ubafuni but bayafuna wena and aba-extra bakufuna bephambi kwabafana bephambi kwamehlo but behind the doors ngabo 9 first 9 ama after 9 do you think ama after 9 like Alex maningi
yes they are ngithetha abantu abangaki mara abangaki ngathi ngicela uze ngifuna for one night
Oh shit, that's all I can see.
labo bafana phambi kwamehlo ba-act ba straight
kanti kae
hayi kapa kayi
4 in Vias.
no but awudli. I don't like the fact that bawudli. I don't like the fact that bawudli.
It's not that I eat slow, like
unobuledi
like
ngika mina ngaziyinsizwa mina ngaziyinsizwa mina abantu basesiyadla kudliwa
wa itse gore ke ngwanyana mara mo botseng ke bafo ba ka o mongwanyana mo bela kwa ke bafo straight o di jong ha ka o mo
sakubona la ku TikTok sakubona labo TikTok yaphusha
ngiyapusha
yini kwenza beqhubeka ubuphuste la ku TikTok
like mostly ngithanda ukupha abantu abanangana nathi so maybe ama advices ukuthi like empilweni kunjani
ngakho wena
I'm turning 25 this year.
25 this year. Oh, okay.
I was born 2K1 so nje yeah.
Oh yeah, early 2K.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lo sabe ngithi ama early 2K ngizothi a reserved ngiyawuza abantu bakhala ngama 2000 mara le ama late 2K hayi bamoshakele ngeke asifiki lapho sibale hayi ngeke lapha yo
Bamoshakele kakhulu.
bamba bangqunu phezulu kwalokho so hayi
Abobani so
bamba bangqunu
bahamba bengcono kanjani and understand that.
ama bam shot kulokubanda babuza ukuthi hawu kanti waye awuzi ukuthi kunomoya bathi hayi phela itshisha logodukweni.
Damn. Oh, but do you think amajita sekona la Alex?
Basasekhona
Khona bazi.
basasekhona ukuthi ya like amajita akhona vele just like engizothi ni maybe ama bisexual baba ama after 9 bisexual ilabo nalabo not mostly but mostly basasekhona amajita ngco straight.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, not amajita ngisho amantombazana not amajita.
Oh, amantombazane
Asekhona amajita. Oh,
amajiji hayi
amantombazana.
Miyibaleka hayi.
Bayabaleka.
Lana Alex Alex
Ikringite khona ukudla into ekhona yonke into ikhona mnganami mina ungawari ngami ngabana ungawari ngami mina ngumuntu wala ekhaya yabo ngumuntu wala ekhaya
akunajiji la Alex la
alikho
dala badlukuziwa labantwana
benzwani
badlukuziwa dala
cameraman awusithelela umthelele cameraman umthelele ngeke
kuphonthelele because naki bona nazulu no
umthelele cameraman ngeke ngiqala into nje nami so wena tsala tsa paper usilitshithe man or now uyadlukuziwa
andizothetha kaloku andizothetha kwangoku
uselitshitshwe
mabayibambe lapha but ngisase yilo ne but izinto engenzenzile kusami
ezinjengani
fana nabo mouth
yini abo mouth
giving mouth sweet usiyetsang isweet maluphethu lenzani isweet maluphethu lenzani ufake emlomeni ngithi
so wena udila ngama-sweets
yeah angiphila ngama-sweet
wakwashaya kodwa so are you you're not interested to girls? Why?
angazi like I don't like ngamane nami ngizitholela upule maseko wami yamazi upule lo waka konje kimang atlehang lo se TikTok abamaziwe bangazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani ngamane ngizitholela upule maseko wami
wenzani dume ngani seko lo
upule ukuthini is in an open relationship no atlehang and it's LGBTQ couple like
two yini LGBT benzani labo bantu labo
gay community so ba date and then public
khuluma ngaphezulu ngabesayo abantu abakuleli team leni le ngeke sibazi phela thina abo ubona
TikTok mostly abantu ababazi base TikTok
ba mama ho katlehang benzani baku open relationship
But open relationship, like
abafana ababili
yeah, bathandana. The other one, I think, he top low money bottom.
uyini wena uyitop or uyibottom wena
Most definitely bottom, fully bottom food.
yini bottom wenzani ungaphasi ungenzani ibottom alaba ba
Receiver.
i-receiver uyi-receiver wakwangitshela lento ngaphambili
Yeah, ngeke
wathi uyi-receiver wena uya-receiver kuphela umsebenzi wakho nje ukwamukela
Wanginikezi, ngiya-receive.
uyamukela
Kwamele uyazi lama terms.
uyamukela nje kuphela
Kwamele uyazi lama terms, guys. Mangazi lama terms.
size matter do ama-size ayamatter or wena ureceiver yonke into umreceive wena
Size they don't matter. They don't matter.
yonke insiphi iyawasha
Yonke into iyawasha.
ekugcineni mina wangathiwa i-sunlight yonke insiphi iyawasha ekugcineni
Iyawasha yonke insipho. Wena brutal, wena flying fish,
Nama.
Bahama, konke. Wena savannah. Awufela.
if you didn't like man can kindly do that share subscribe I don't want to make this video too long because of this part 2 you know
Okay, I wanted to clarify le ndaba le. Bongibuza ngendaba yaka Trench T last time ngithi.
indaba ka-Trans-T
Sikhulumile mina naye ne, and then
nagcina senikhulumile no-Trans-T
he saw the video and then
wathi wayitshela abantu indaba zethu
no, mara like i-reaction yakhe ngizothini. Bethu ukuthi like he was surprised ukuthi ngisho into so, but it was like it is what it is.
so nina no-Trans-T nobhebhi wakho nigcine senilungisa indaba zenu njena ni-right
Ngamngani wami futhi manje.
sokumngani akhe nilahlene selilungisa izinto zenu
Yeah.
nilungisile
Like
yonke into.
akaphuma ke im total sabangani manje. Friend
Oh,
zone.
but nisagivana na usarefisa kuwo ni-right
Ile nto ukuthi ni sithi abangani. And yazi le video le ngiyazi le ntombazana ozoyibona. Angazi uKini K. Wangitexta ngitshela ukuthi phela le nto yenzile ngithandi.
uKinny K umuntu kabani
Ka Trench T.
uKinny K umuntu ka-Trans-T
Wangitshela ukuthi
unejelasi manje ngawo
ungitshelile athi phela ingoduso yami lena wenzela into esozokhuluma izinto ezisongayo.
ingoduso
Yeah, mangibuza uTrench T akamazi ukuthi mhlawumbe ugeli bekaklima ngaye. Angithandi le nto eniyenzayo guys. Don't ever come to my inbox uzongithusela.
ubeklima ngo-Trans-T wakho ugeli ubani ugeli gama lakho
Kini K.
uKinny K on TikTok
Angazi ku-TikTok mara mina
Kini K, uhlala lapha, uhlala lapha.
i-WhatsApp name uthi uhlala 19 yena
Uhlala 19, Kini K.
athi akahlali kude lapha. Akahlali kude nala uKG ahlala khona.
oh uhlale 19 Kini K
Usho kanjalo kimi.
uthini uyakalazi bakwena umdlela indoda
Athi ngoduso yakhe mina kwamele ngihloniphe wat mara mangibuza uTrench T akamazi.
ayazi lo muntu uyamphika akamazi
So mantombazana Selex ngiyakala uclaim guys.
Ngiyakala uclaim.
Stop claiming. Umuntu makusowakho akuso Don't claim.
uTrans-T uyazi ubuka abane ekugcineni
Uyaziwa. So don't claim. Ungaclaim.
thina somlwelo
Ungene
uTrans-T lo
inbox.
thina somlwelo uTrans-T
Ungene inbox wangitshela ukuthi ya ngicela uhlukane nengodiso yami wena in
Unawo ama-screenshot
ushadile
tiveza.
nomfazi. Mina bengizazi lezi zinto lezi. Ama-screenshot ayangiwasivanga unfortunately.
Oh,
Ngoba
kwathi
uthe
cha.
I know that you're gonna screenshot this and then make me trend. I know. It's fine, no problem. I don't mind. Futhi nenhlanhla angi-screenshot.
Abuwa-delete-ile ama-chat?
I think bakwa 24-hour timer. Avela soon.
Oh, okay.
Mina guys, I don't save such things. Trust meant to be trust.
And you can't be a Christian ulwele Trans-T
Like mina
you can't be a Christian ulwele Trans-T
like mina angilo nabantu abangekho levelini yami.
kwi-level yakho
So I don't.
so ufuna ukulungisa leyo ndaba leyo
Ngifuna ukuyisa le ndaba leyo. Like don't claim guys, don't claim.
sikahle mabafana
Ngiyazi lo girl uzoyibona le video, don't claim girl. Like so wakho lo yani.
uTrans-T uyaziwo kabani
Uyazi batonto de uyazazi yena ukuthi umuntu akabani abantu. So ugela angazongitshela
angazophema because mombuza uTrans-T uthi akamazi
athi akamazi cabanga. Kusho ukuthi enza mina islima ke. Mara nayo uzenza islima ngoba uzikhohlisa ngomuntu angekho.
angithanda
Ilabantu bathanda ukuze bayishadisa. Akakashadi sisiphola.
Phola relax
Uzomthola umaqondana wakho phola.
relax angithanda sebecasule kanje mngani nami kodwa mina ngisafuni mawunje
Sofuna bakulande bakunyathele. Hayi wena khuzeka.
unamanga
Khuzeka nonkroyi, khuzeka.
Man, if you didn't like, share, subscribe. We're out of here. Last words.
I don't have any words, but shout out to the people of Baba Bugelele video.
Shout out to you, man. If you didn't like, just like right now, share.
Don't look at that social media all day and see what niggas got and just start losing your mind. Niggas grinding for this shit.